Hey everyone, Josh from Spectacle Views here. I went ahead and I bought some of the Ray-Ban Meta Wayfarer Gen 2s with my vision benefits through work. And these are prescription, so that's why V-Box is actually open already. I had to try them on before I left the store. However, I haven't really touched them at all. I just kind of put them on, I could see, and put them back in the box. So I just wanted to kind of document open this up, see what's inside. So, kind of cool box. It opens up. These are just the ones that come with it. Alright. So, I think that's everything. Here's where we got the actual thing. So, this is the charging case. And then here are the actual glasses. This is a little hard one-handed. Hold on. Alright. Alright. So yeah, a little hard to do one-handed. There's like a magnet or kind of clip that kind of holds them in. So, you can see here, there's a light. I guess it's saying there's no glasses in it. You have a Type-C on the bottom to charge. And we have the actual glasses. Like I said, I did get prescription, so these are transitions, so they will actually turn from normal glasses to sunglasses. So let me go ahead and turn these on and get them set up with the app.